Now listen here. Example 2.5. Prove by mathematical induction 3 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8 for all n belongs to capital N. That's important. That is given. Now what I told you? Write the statement. 3 power 2n minus 1. Minus 1 is here, not the power actually. 3 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8. This is given. Let, as usual, let P of n denote the statement. Am I correct? Now step 1. What I told you? When n equal to 1, substitute here. This is a question, no? This is a question equal to 3 power 2 into 1 minus 1 or 3 square minus 1 equal to what? 9 minus 1 equal to what? 8, which is divisible by 8. Am I correct? 8 is divided by 8, no? That's why which is divisible by 8. That's why P of 1 is true. The previous question you will prove LHS or RHS. But here the statement is given. That's why substitute replace n by 1. After simplification 8 is coming. After 8 is divisible by 8. That's why P of 1 is true. Now step 2. What I told you? N equal to k. Assume P of k is true. That is, replace n by k in the question. 3 power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 8. Am I right? What do you mean, son? 3 power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 8 means 3 power 2k minus 1 is equal to a multiple of c. Multiple 8 actually. Multiple 8. Am I right? This term is divisible by 8 is what? Divided by 8, we get one number. After division, we get some number. The number may be c. That's why 3 power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 8 means the term 3 power 2k minus 1 is multiple of 8. Then only this is divisible by 8. Am I right? 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 3, 24. In this way it will come. Then only this is divisible by 8. That's why you want to write multiple of 8. Now we have one side 3 power 2k equal to 8c plus 1. By using this idea only we get the answer. Am I right? Suppose divisible by 7 means 7 into c. Suppose divisible by 24 means 24 into c. In this way you want to assume. This is our assumption. Now you want to prove step 3. Step 3 when n equal to k plus 1. To prove P of k plus 1 is true. The same thing only. P of k plus 1 is true. That is to prove 3 power 2n 2 into a k plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by 8. This only you want to prove. Am I right? Now start with this one. Therefore 3 power 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 1. Am I right? This can be 3 power 2k into 3 square minus 1. The 3 power 2k already find out. What is the value? 8c plus 1. Let it be 1. 3 power 2k is 8c plus 1 into 3 square is what? 9 minus 1 by using 1. Am I correct? Now 9 minus 1 is what? 8. But here product of two terms are there. Am I right? 8c plus 1 into 9. This is subtraction. This is multiplication. But subtraction is not possible. What is the reason? Do you know Bodmas? Bodmas. Fundamental idea. B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. In this way, you want to remove one by one. In this calculation, multiplication is there. Bracket means multiplication. Here, subtraction is there. First, you want to do the calculation multiplication, then only subtraction is possible. Suppose you want to subtract first, then multiply means wrong answer will come. Therefore, by using this idea, in one term, one problem, multiplication, division, addition, etc. All the terms are involved in me. All the symbols are involved in me. By using this idea only, you will calculate one by one. That's why here multiplication is there, subtraction is there. By using this idea, first you want to multiply, then only subtracting. Therefore, multiply 8c into 9. 8c into 9, the same thing. 1 into 9. 9 ones are 9 minus 1. Am I right? Next step, now subtract 8c into 9 plus 8. Out of these two terms, 8 is common. What is the term? C into 9, that is 9c. This plus 1. Now only 8 into something means which is divisible by 8. Which is divisible by 8. Am I correct? You want to prove divisible by 8. Am I correct? 8 into something. Something is not a matter. 8 into something means divided by 8 means 8 get cancelled. Our this is possible. In this way, you want to prove P of k plus 1 is true. Am I right? Therefore, P of k plus 1 is true. Now, already notice step 4, only conclusion. What is the conclusion? When if P of k is true, then P of k plus 1 is also true. Therefore, by mathematical induction, 3 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8 for all small n belongs to capital. This is very important idea. This is a culture. Previous model, all the problems are you want to do LHS, you would RHS. Am I correct? But here the word is that's why the term what out may be, the term is divisible by 8. You want to prove divisible by 8. That's why you replace n by k plus 1. This can be 3 power 2k plus 2 means you want to write 3 power 2k, it is 3 square. Instead of 3 power 2k, already find out by using 1, 8c plus 1. Now the subtraction is not possible. That's why multiply, then subtraction, we get 8 is common. Now by 8 is something means which is divisible by 8. That is the answer. This is also part 5 more question. Next question, example 2.6. Prove by mathematical induction a power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. Now write the question. What is given? A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b. This is a clear statement. B of n given statement. Now when n is 1, what is the question? A power n minus b power n is equal to a power 1 minus b power 1. Am I correct? This is what? A minus b. Which is divisible by a minus b. This is divisible by a minus b. Am I right? First part over. P of 1 is true. When n equal to k, assume P of k is true. That is, replace n by k, no? A power k minus b power k is divisible by a minus b. Now what I told you? A power k minus b power k equal to multiple of a minus b. Now c into a minus b. Am I correct? This will be 8 means 8 into c. Here a minus b. This will be a minus b means a minus b into some constant. That is c into a minus b. Now we want a power k alone. Now a power k equal to c into a minus b plus b power k. That will be 1. This only you want to use. Now next is what? Step 3. N equal to k plus 1. To prove P of k plus 1 is true. That is to prove replace n by k plus 1. K power k plus 1 minus b power k plus 1 is divisible by a minus b. Am I correct? Now start with this one. Now a power k plus 1 minus b power k plus 1. This can be written as a power k into a power 1 minus b power k into b power 1. The a power k already find out. What is the answer? C into a minus b plus b power k. This is instead of a power k, this one, close the bracket. Into a power 1 is only a minus this same thing, no change. By using 1. Am I correct? Now here also, what I told you, you want to multiply this one term, multiply this with this, then this with this. Important. Two terms are there, it is a bracket. Outside bracket only A is there. That's why C into A minus B into A. That means what? C into A minus B or AC into A minus B. Next is what? Plus B power K into B. B power K into A. No, this is same thing. No change. Now this two, out of these two terms, what is common? B power K is common. Remainder A minus B. Here AC into A minus B. Am I right? Once again, A minus B common. Taken outside. A minus B into AC plus B power K. Now what I told you? A minus B into something which is divisible by A minus B. That's why P of K equals to 2. You want to prove divisible by A minus B meaning this term is A minus B into something. Automatically A minus B divided by A minus B means A minus B cancel, no? That's why this is divisible by A minus B. P of K plus 1 is 2. Then step 4 is what? The conclusion. If P of K is 2 mean, then P of K plus 1 also true. Therefore, in mathematical integration, A power n minus B power n is divisible by A minus B for all n belongs to capital N. This is the answer. Please model only. Very simple concept. Listen here. Now exercise 2.5. Sorry, previous problem 2 problem also. Exercise problem 2.5. Fifth and sixth problem. Please change it. Exercise 2.5. Previous two problems are fifth and sixth. Now seventh problem. Prove by mathematical induction 5 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 24. Now write everything. 5 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 24 is statement. There is P of n direct statement. When n equal to 1, substitute 5 power 2n minus 1 equal to 5 into 2 minus 1 equal to 5 square. 5 power 2 are 2, you know. 5 square is 25 minus 1 equal to 24. Which is divisible by 24. That's why P of 1 is 2. We get as 24. 24 is divided by 24. That's why which is divisible by 24. P of 1 is 2. Then assume P of K to mean 5 power 2k minus 1 is divisible by 24. Already told you 5 power 2k minus 1 is what? Multiple of 24. 24 into c. 5 power 2k equal to what? 24c plus 1. This one. The same thing. Step 3. When n equal to k plus 1 to prove P of k plus 1 is true. That is to prove replace n by 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by 24. Am I right? Now start with this one. Now start with the 5 power 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 equal to multiply 5 power 2k plus 2 minus 1. This came as 5 power 2k into 5 square minus 1. Am I right? The 5 power 2k I will find out 24c plus 1. 24c plus 1 into 5 square is what? 25 minus 1. Already told you 25 minus 1 is what? 24. But not possible to subtract. 25 minus 1, 24, which is 24. Am I right now? But that is wrong. 24 minus 1 subtract is not possible because you want to multiply the same thing only, multiply both. 24 into 24c into 25. Next, 1 into 25, 25 minus 1. Now again 24c into 25. Here 25 minus 1 is 24. Out of this two terms, 24 common, the remainders are c into 25. That is 25c plus 1, which is divisible by 24. Am I right? Then automatically P of k plus 1 is true. Then write the conclusion. P of k is true, then P of k plus 1 is true. By mathematical induction, 5 power 2n minus 1 is divisible by 24 for all small n belongs to capital N. This answer. All the ones same method only. Now exercise problem, 8th problem. prove by mathematical induction n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is divisible by 6. Now write the statement. N into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is divisible by 6. Now let P of n given statement. The same thing. When you need what? Substitute here n into n plus 1 into n plus, this is a question. Replace n by 1, you know, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. That is what? 1 into 2 into 3. That is what? 6. Which is divisible by 6. Am I correct? That's why P of n is 2. Now we need to k. Assume P of k is 2. Replace n by k. K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is divisible by 6. Am I correct? That is. What is I told you? Divisible by 6 means k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 equal to multiple of c. That is multiple of 6. 6c. This is really what. Now third step is what? When n equal to k, when n equal to k plus 1, to prove n into n plus 1 into n plus 3, you know, 2, you know. N is what? K plus 1. This n is what? K plus 1. K plus 1 plus 1, k plus 2. Again, n plus 2, n plus 1, k plus 1 plus 2, this is k plus 3. Is divisible by 6. You want to prove. Am I correct? Now I am start with this one. Now, k plus 1, k plus 2, this is k plus 3 actually, k plus 3. Am I correct? Now, the two term, you know, the two term is multiplied by k, then multiplied by 3. What is the answer? K into k plus 1, k plus 2, then 3 into k with this two term, then 3 with this term, plus 3 into k plus 1, k plus 2. Am I correct? This is already our assumption is what? K into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is what? 6c. Plus 3 into k plus 1, k plus 2. Now which is divisible by 3? What is the reason? Which is divisible by 6? What is the reason? Same. Here multiple of 6 is there. But definitely this time is divisible by 6. That is correct. Next one also, suppose 3 is there. Suppose k is what? Natural number. K is what? N actually. N is natural number. Suppose you will put k either even number or odd number. Suppose odd number means suppose you will put 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 into 3, 6. Here also 6 is there. Here also 6 will come. About divisible by 6. Suppose you will put an even number. K is what? 2. Suppose. 2 plus 1, 3. Put here 2 plus 2, 4. 4 is 12. In 12, 6 is coming now. In either way, either it is even number or odd number, that is not a matter. Definitely, if these two terms come together, multiple 2 will come. Already 3 is there. Totally 6 will come. Here also 6 is there. 6 is common diagonal there. Automatically, the whole term is divided by 6. That is the answer, which is divisible by 6. That's why directly you write the answer, which is divisible by 6. Am I correct? Or otherwise, what is easy method? Out of this term is what by using only, you know. Once again, 6c plus 3 into these two terms what? K plus 1 into k plus 2. Am I correct? But 6c by k will come. 6c by k will come. Am I correct? Anyway, 6 is no. Which is divisible by 6. That's all. Which is divisible by 6. Am I correct? Am I correct? Anyway, we will get multiple of 6 mean automatically divisible by 6. Anyway, tag the right answer. That is not a matter. Tag the right answer. Give the reason since k plus 1 or k plus 2 or even number. Then only multiply by 3, we get the multiple of 6 will come. Tag the right answer. This is not it. Somebody like that. That's all. Then conclusion. Our P of k plus 1 is 2. Or you know, now by mathematical induction, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is divisible by 6. For all natural number, capital and small and class capital. That's the answer. Anyway, this type of questions are important 5 mark question. That's all. Now next question, exercise 2.5, 9th question. Prove by mathematical induction 2 power n greater than n for all n blocks here. This is given. Let it be of n during statement. Meaning in one. What is the answer? 2 power n. This is given now. Which implies 2 power 1 greater than 1. Which implies what? 2 is always greater than 1. Which is true. Am I right? It's true, no? That's why P of is true. That's all. Now when any root k, assume P of is true. That is 2 power k greater than k. That's all. Am I right? Over. This is the one. Now when any root k plus 1 to prove P of k plus 1 is true. That is to prove 2 power k plus 1 greater than k plus 1. Am I right? This is what you want to prove. Now I am starting with this one. Now 2 power k plus 1 equal to this came as 2 power k into 2 power 1. Am I right? For 2 power k plus 1, this two no change. Instead of 2 power k equal to what? Greater than k. Greater than k. Am I right? By using what? 2 power k plus 1 can run 2 power k into 2 power 1. Again, left hand side 2 power k plus 1. Right hand to the same thing. Instead of 2 power k is what? Greater than k. Now this came as k plus k. Am I right? But you want to prove 2 power k plus 1 greater than k plus 1. What is the reason? What is the condition actually? The question is n greater than or equal to 1. 1 and above. But that k is greater than 1. 1k is greater than 1. That is the reason. Since k also greater than 1. In sub k, you will put greater than or equal to 1. This is called P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, your answer is 2 power n always greater than n for n drop 6. That's the answer. This is a very simple concept. You want to prove 2 power k plus 1 greater than k plus 1. 2k can be k plus k. 1k is greater than 1, you know. That's why already greater symbol is there. Greater symbol is there. That's why plus 1. That's all. Now all the exercise problems are over. Now only remain example problem. I think 3 or 4 problems are there. Example problem. We have only 2 problem. Example 2 problem, this problem already over. Now example problem 2.37. So by the principle of mathematical MI for mathematical index that 2 power 3n minus 1 is divisible by 7. Take the statement. Let B of n denoted statement. When n equal to 1. What is the question? 2 power 3n minus 1 equal to 2 power 3 into 1 minus 1. 2 power 3 also 3, no? 2 power 3 is what? 8 minus 1. That is what? 7. Which is divisible by 7. That's why P of 1 is true. Now n equal to k, assume P of is true. That is 2 power 3k minus 1 is divisible by 7. Now what I told you? Divisible by 7 means multiply of 7. 7c. For 2 power 3k equal to 7c plus 1. This is 1. Now to prove P of k plus 1 is true. That is to prove replace 3 in n is what? K plus 1 minus 1 is divisible by 7. Now start with this one. 2 power 3 into k plus 1 minus 1 equal to 2 power 3k plus 3 minus 1. This came at 2 power 3k into 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 3k already find out 7c plus 1. In 2 power 3 is what? 8 minus 1. Already told you, subtract is not possible. That's why you want to multiply 7c into 8. 7c into 8. 1 into 8, 8. Minus 1. Again 7c into 8. 8 minus 1 is what? 7. 7 is common. The remainder of c into 8, that is 8c. 8c plus 1. Multiply 7, which is divisible by 7. Which is divisible by 7. That's why P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, the conclusion is, if P of k is true, mean P of k plus 1 is also true. Write the question. By mathematical induction, that's all for all n blocks here. By our question. Only one more question is there. Now, by principle of mathematical induction, prove the n square plus n is even number. This is given. N square plus n is what? Even number. Let P of n denote statement. When n equal to 1, what is the answer? N square plus n, you know. 1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2, which is even number. Am I correct? Which is an even number. That's why P of 1 is over. Next is what? K square plus k is an even number. Am I correct? Replace n by k, that is an even number. But because the question is even number is given. Now even number is what is the meaning? X k square plus k equal to multiple of 2c. 2c. Multiple of c. That's why 2 into c. That is even number, no? 2 into c. Now this will be 1. Now start with the step 3 is what? N equal to k plus 1 mean to prove P of k plus 1 is true. That is to prove the first one is what? N square. K plus 1 whole square. Again plus k plus 1 is an even number. You want to prove even number. Now start with this one. Therefore k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1 equal to. You want to prove this is equal to even number. What do you do? First one is what? It is of k plus 1 whole square now. By using the formula k square plus a square plus b square plus 2k. Already k plus 1 is there. Am I right? Already we know the formula value. The first one is what? K square plus k is what? K square plus k combined together. 1. Then 1 plus 1 2. This 2k. Am I right? Instead of k square plus k is 2c. Already 2 plus 2k is there. This by using 1. Now 2 is common. 2 into c plus 1 plus k. All are multiplied by 2. That's why which is even number. Need not take a 2 as common. We need 2 into something mean which is an even number. That is therefore P of k plus 1 true. Am I right? Write the conclusion. That's all. N square plus n is even number for all n blocks here. Anyway, the mathematical induction, I did all the problem, including example and exercise. What is the reason? These are all very, very important 5 more question. That's why study well, all the same method only, one small change will come. Just go through everything. Already told you know, in first exercise, partial fraction, and in this exercise, very, very important 5 more concept. Thorough well, study well. Today that's all.